This sax player originated last month on the 27th
48-hour
spontaneous, little less reverb, production at the Manhattan Theater Source. Basically, they were given a first line to a play, and then they had to get a coup'la Sundays. So, based on those two requirements, you are about to witness the following. What you're about to see is two authors who are not actors, but they're going to bring it on. And they are David Kellis and Peter Dizozza. And a couple of crazy engineers talking.
This isn't going to work out. Do you even know I'm here?
No one understands me. I can walk to my death with not one friendly glance from the multitudes.
Look at me!
Except for one self-serving entrepreneur running after my energy.
I have a world-class statement to make to the world. In order to make room for my statement, I have to clear out the inner carpets, which, in my solitude, into this room, I have externalized one by one. And you can be my aid. So cheer up. Look at me. Where are your eyes? Put them back. Did you roll them into the back of your head? Oh, God, you are so into yourself. Look at me. I am you. Let me in.
If you keep prying me, so help me, I will externalize the monster within. And then you'll be sorry. Go to a card shop and buy yourself a lottery ticket. You don't want to know what's inside me.
How bad can it be? What do you harbor in there? You hibernate a bear? Let me in. Let me see. Roll out those beautiful pupils. Oh, that's it. Come on now, look at me. Look. Oh, yes. Focus. No. You're focusing on something 2 feet behind me. Bring them a little closer together. Yes. Okay. Oh, look at me. At least give me credit for having a little substance.
It's like a big glob.
Well, this glob has eyes. Can you find them? Can you guess where they are?
You don't want me to guess.
Well, it's okay. Delineate. Go ahead. Do you see these carpets piled up, the rolled up carpets? We have like no room with all these carpets. Since we're in a former casket factory, you could imagine what they were used for.
Can I melt them?
Yes. Maybe. Wait, no! You can help me deliver them to the carpet cleaning factory. So, come on. Look. Come on, lock eyes. All right, there you go. Yes. Yes.
Oh, now you're doing something to me.
Yes.
It
feels good, right? It feels good to me.
It does. It does. I'm just afraid I'm going to, if I let my inside out,
Yeah.
Thank you. I externalized.
Yeah.
What do you see?
I see there's a dead whale in the distance. There's an oil depot dock. And, yes, a train engine. This is going to work out.
How?
You see these railroad tracks?
They're kind of an eyesore the way they run into the floorboard.
I think they were here before the floorboards.
Do you think they built this room on top of train tracks?
Yes, and they lead to the canal. I think that these tracks were used to make deliveries between this building and the carpet cleaning factory.
They lead right through the wall.
Yes, well, see, they're dead, but we can electrify them.
They're suggesting we electrify the train tracks.
Yes, we will, in order to bring that distant locomotive here, we will plug the rails into the wall socket, and then the train will roll over, and we'll fill it with carpets, and then we'll reverse the gear, send out another electric bolt, and send it back to the dock.
Would you take coerce so far off the trains to come this way?
Let's see. It must have been set in reverse.
I can just faintly see its outline as it sinks in the Erie basin of the Kiwanis Canal.
This isn't going to work out.
Yes, it will. We'll seal the locomotive hub, and we'll pump air into it, and we'll take out the water, and it'll pop right up.
Let that be my statement to the world.
I am your world.
Okay, yes. All right, thank you, Maria.
Yeah,
I just finished reading Norman Mailer's book, The Castle in the Forest, Hitler's early time. When I see that, I'm sort of thinking of the Walt Purtell, that kind of, that mythic sort of mountainous landscape.